Hello! Wala pang nanonood.
Ito pala sa sunset.
Ganyan. Hi guys! Dumadagdag na. Let's wait for more viewers. Ayan, dumadami na. Dumaan lang ako to say hi. It's been a long time since my last live, but hi guys! Mamaya, sana makapanood po kayo ng Blood vs. Duty. 8 PM po on Netflix. Hi! So many people are watching. Hi! Good afternoon! Hi, Ate Jeng! Paano ko nakita yung comment mo agad-agad? 8 PM on Netflix. So many, it's so fast. Hi, Ate Kate! 5,000 people. Hello! Shout out. Hello po sa mga nasa Dubai and sa mga kaibigan nating mga Muslim. Yun po yung role ko as Jamila. Sana makanood po kayo mamaya 8 PM on Netflix. I'm gonna end this na. I'm done. Di ko na alam sasabihin ko. Naiya na ako. Keep it live!
Turn off the mic.
No, you can't turn off the mic.
On the corner at the end of the block, didn't know you would be coming into the big go down.
I wanna say bye na. Di ko na alam sasabihin ko. Ito yung comments.
This
Ito
is
yung
my
viewers.
first time.
Viewers, 7.1 million viewers! Oh my God, ang dami.
What? 7K.
Go vlog.
Hi. It's my first time to do live. Hi everyone.
Ever?
Yeah. Qatar.
Panoorin niyo po mamaya 8 PM on Netflix, Blood vs. Duty. Thank you guys! Bye-bye!